Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF plus FS with the 55-inch, 1400mm guide rail is a professional-grade cutting tool designed for precision, efficiency, and clean results. Engineered for carpenters, woodworkers, and contractors, this plunge cut saw delivers exceptional straight cuts with minimal tear-out, thanks to its advanced guide rail system and splinter guard. The included FS 1400/2 guide rail ensures track straight cuts across plywood, MDF, hardwood, and other sheet goods, making it ideal for panel processing and cabinetry work. The TS55 FEQF features a powerful motor and smooth plunge mechanism, providing accurate depth control and cleaner entry points during cuts. Its fast fix system allows for quick blade changes, while the micro-adjust depth stop ensures consistent cutting depth. The saw also integrates dust extraction capabilities for a cleaner work environment, especially when paired with Festool dust extractors. Designed with user comfort in mind, the saw includes ergonomic handles, variable speed control for different materials, and an electronic brake for added safety. The robust build and compact design make it easy to transport and handle, whether you're on-site or in the workshop. Overall, the Festool TS55 FEQF plus FS is a reliable, high-performance plunge cut track saw that delivers professional quality results with unmatched precision. It's perfect for tasks like breaking down large panels, creating clean edge cuts, and making plunge cuts with repeatable accuracy, all while maintaining a dust-free and efficient workflow. Number 2. Evolution Multimaterial Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185ccSX is a versatile circular track saw kit designed for cutting a wide range of materials with precision and ease. It comes equipped with a 7 1/4 inch, 185mm, TCD, tungsten carbide tipped blade, capable of effortlessly slicing through wood, plastic, metal, laminate, and more. Whether you're working on home renovation, DIY projects, or professional contracting jobs, this tool provides reliable multi-material cutting performance. The kit includes a 40-inch track system that ensures clean, straight, and accurate cuts. This track offers excellent stability and control, making it perfect for tasks requiring high precision, such as trimming doors, making cabinet panels, or cutting sheet materials. The adjustable depth of cut and bevel capability add to its flexibility, enabling angled cuts and plunge cuts with ease. Powered by a robust motor, the R185ccSX delivers consistent cutting power and smooth operation across various materials. It features an ergonomic handle for better grip and comfort during extended use, along with a clear visibility line for enhanced accuracy. Additionally, its built-in channel for dust extraction helps keep the workspace cleaner and improves visibility while cutting. Overall, the Evolution R185ccSX Circular Track Saw Kit is an excellent all-in-one solution for those seeking precision, performance, and versatility. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this tool delivers clean, accurate cuts on multiple materials, making it a great addition to any workshop or job site. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a professional-grade cutting solution designed for precision and efficiency. This powerful plunge saw delivers smooth and accurate cuts, making it ideal for cabinet makers, finish carpenters, and woodworkers seeking clean, splinter-free results. It features a 12-amp motor that delivers up to 5,200 RPM, ensuring consistent performance even during demanding tasks. The plunge action offers enhanced control and versatility for tasks such as cutouts, trimming, or long rip cuts. The saw comes bundled with a 55-inch guide rail, which significantly improves cutting accuracy by reducing the risk of blade wander and enhancing straight-line performance. It's especially effective for sheet goods like plywood and MDF, ensuring flawless edge-to-edge results. The bevel capability ranges from -1 degree to 48 degrees, allowing for a variety of angled cuts. A depth stop ensures precise and repeatable settings. This kit includes a durable stackable tool case, Makita's Sustainer-style case, offering convenient transport and organized storage for job site or workshop use. Its ergonomic design, rubberized grip, and built-in electric brake enhance user safety and comfort during extended use. Whether you're tackling complex on-site work or need accurate panel sizing in your shop, the Makita SP6000J1 offers pro-level performance and reliability in a portable package. With its smooth operation, versatile features, and included guide rail and tool case, it's a complete solution for accurate and high-quality cutting. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ 18VX2 LXT Lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless 6.1/2 plunge circular saw kit offers powerful cutting performance with the flexibility of cordless operation. Powered by two 18V LXT 5.0A batteries, it delivers a full 36V of power without the need for a separate power source or cord. The brushless motor technology ensures extended tool life, higher efficiency, and reduced heat generation during use, making it a reliable choice for both job site professionals and serious DIYers. This plunge saw is engineered for precision and smooth cutting in a variety of materials, including wood, MDF, and plywood. Its plunge mechanism allows for accurate cuts at any point in the material, which is especially useful for making interior cuts or cutouts. The 6.1/2 blade delivers clean, splinter-free finishes, and the variable speed control helps match the speed to the material for optimal results. The saw is also compatible with Makita's optional 199,140/039-inch guide rail, sold separately, which enhances accuracy by guiding the saw in a straight line, perfect for ripping sheet goods or making repeatable cuts. Combined with the tool's electronic brake, bevel capability, and soft start feature, this kit offers a professional-grade solution in a compact, portable form. The entire set comes packaged in a stackable Makita hardcase for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for on-the-go contractors or workshop use. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a premium-grade 6.5-inch precision saw designed for smooth, accurate plunge cuts. Engineered for high performance, this track saw features a powerful 13-amp motor that delivers constant speed and consistent cutting through wood, laminate, and sheet goods. It's ideal for cabinet makers, finish carpenters, and professional woodworkers who require clean, splinter-free cuts in delicate materials. The plunge action allows for highly controlled and precise interior cuts, which is particularly useful when starting in the middle of a panel. Paired with an optional guide rail system, sold separately, the saw glides effortlessly for straight, accurate cuts with minimal tear-out. Its flat housing allows the saw to cut close to walls, just 0.4 inches away, increasing its versatility in tight spaces. A standout feature is its superior dust collection system, which connects easily to most vacuums and efficiently captures debris, making it perfect for indoor use or job sites that require minimal cleanup. The depth adjustment and bevel capacity, up to 47 degrees, allow users to tackle a variety of angled cuts, adding flexibility to its applications. Bosch includes a robust carrying case for portability and safe storage. Built with German engineering standards, the Bosch GKT13-225L offers durability, accuracy, and refined performance. Whether you're making cabinet panels, trimming doors, or doing fine finish work, this saw delivers exceptional results and clean edges every time. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking for professional-level cutting performance.